Okay, so Hendo is showing us his awesome landing page that he created in Card. So what was this experience like for you? Please give us a tour.
Yeah, it was brilliant. It super fast. I completely nerded out on it over the weekend. It's like, oh, I can make that image better, or I can change that one, update the text. I've just been adding sections to it over and over again. But it's super smooth, and you can see from it's responsive, so that it works straight away on desktop, on mobile. Everything stacks really nicely. Everything looks really cool, and all of the tech is there. You've got all of these amazing websites that you can make beautiful images in, perfectly on brand. Chuck them into the website, update the text, and it's in real time straight away. So I'll blast through it. There's a couple of pages. I'll just go through the main page first of all, so that it flows down this. I can't remember the name of the template. I'll find out before the end of the session and can share it with people. But it's laid out beautifully. Images from a mixture of DALL-E, some Midjourney, some ideogram. You've got links work really well. I'm just trying to get
That's the
this
thing also. You all have all the resources to get the copy for your site, to get the
for sure
images.
for
You know,
free.
we're both using Chat GPT for our copy. Make sure you ask for SEO keywords.
Yeah. So it's, choose the style that you want. It works really well. Got some cool images in there,
So
recognize
nice.
these. And then,
And I've seen the live version, which has really beautiful animations. I mean,
yeah,
it's really, really nice.
absolutely. I can show that in
But
a
that's
minute.
what you were asking. You were saying, do you want to see the behind the scenes or the, yeah, yeah,
Well,
if
this,
we
yeah.
could,
So, like behind the scenes, I might as well show you. So that's like with this section here. So, like, let's change the headline there. So you just, you can edit your text straight away. It's like,
super
hi
easy.
everyone.
Yeah.
Straight away, and then you can run it. You can publish it straight away. It's good to go.
And
And
by the way, I used the results of the GPT Pro Builder to create the website copy. I took the
okay,
title, I took the description, and I even put the custom instructions and the business plan that it comes with into Chat GPT and said, help me create website copy. So
yeah,
the
amazing.
more you can feed Chat GPT with information about your GPT, then it will help you with the
Yeah,
copy.
that's what I
This
was.
is so
I
cool.
did that with this as well. So do the website, get the text in. Yeah, that kind of sounds right. Screen grab the image, put it into ChatGPT, get the edit back from ChatGPT, and kind of just kept it in that loop until it was right. The other thing that was really simple as well was embedding the card, not card, was a chip GPT built GPT tool that I made. So it just sits in here. It's just an embed, sits in there, and then that's live on the website. I can show you that that's live now as well. So there's no, you obviously you can choose whether you have the email gate on it or the going
Yeah, I'm
in.
glad that you're showing both sides because I showed the email gate side where you can collect emails. But the way Hendo has it set up right now, it's an embed. So that means they can, if you want to show us the live, but go ahead. I know
Yeah,
you're
let me just,
finishing. And then, yeah.
yeah, for sure. And then with the site as well, it's really simple. Like you just put your next page in here, you put this sort of section break in, then it goes on to the next page, and then you can build a website as big as you want. Admittedly, the text is a bit off
Yeah, you
there,
can
but
just keep going and going.
yeah, but it will respond to the site being it. There's a mobile version. It'll stack everything nicely like this as well. You recognize some of these images.
So nice.
Let
Yeah.
me I'm going to drop that one off, and I'll show you what the GPT looks like. Give me one sec.
I don't know if you saw this comment from Vladimir. He said that yellow makes you want to do things. I don't know why. That's funny. It's all in the design. And Fuzzy said, ask for the SEO. That's really good. Lisa said, I agree with Vladimir. The yellow makes you want to do things like a call to action. Good stuff. All right. So this is what the official published website looks like. Oh, are you muted now? I can't hear you anymore.
Sorry, I've
That's
got
okay.
too many windows open. Sorry.
That's okay.
Remember, 1% better every day.
That's right.
Yeah. So with the live one, it's got. Let me just open this up so you can see the. the page better. And then when you scroll down, it's got the chatbot. So the chatbot sits like this. And then once you put your obviously email and password in, it then goes live into that as well. So let me just give me 1 second and I will change that so we can access the website that should be uploaded.
You know what's so funny? I haven't done this yet, and I don't know why. I actually need to embed the chatbot. Right now I have it behind a button, but this is much better. Embedding the actual chatbot on the site.
Yeah, I've been sort of playing around with a few different versions. So now you've got
Look how nice that is. And this is you all right from the card site. So the
it's really
user
cool.
can come in to your site to actually use the tool.
Absolutely.
Not have to go somewhere else.
You can interact with it straight away. It works live on the
So
site.
cool.
Yeah. So you've got the bot working on the
Creative
site.
Spark. I love it.
Yeah, it's cool.
Tell us about your GPT.
Well, this is really interesting. I really enjoyed making this one because it was all based on client feedback. So there's like a number of agencies that I've been working with, and the challenges that they've been having is trying to get started. So I've had all these calls and then get the data from the agency conversations and then use that data to then help build a tool to help people get over those speed bumps so that once you have the data, you can pretty much do whatever you want with it. But asking ChatGPT, I've got all this data, what could I do? And it's like, well, why don't you build an app or a tool to help other people? So it sits on the website. People go to the website. It's like, oh, Hendo knows what he's talking about, or he seems
Hendo
to.
knows.
Yeah, he seems to know what he's talking about.
Yeah.
And then you've got any of the challenges that
the
people
landing page helps establish credibility and authority a lot. I mean, these look like you would never be able to tell this was, a landing page builder by card. Like it looks so good. It looks like a great landing page.
Yeah, absolutely.
I need help.
This was one of the challenges as well, was that people sending out continual emails and DMs, cold emails, and people just like, oh, whatever, it's just advertising, I don't want it. Whereas what I've been doing is doing screen records of this tool and also doing screen records of the other GPTs that I've built and sending that to the client. So then clients are seeing, oh, this is what it actually looks like. And every time I send it, they respond straight away. Every time.
It's amazing. This is why we're doing it like this, so that once you all finish building, you have something to send to potential clients. You have a link to put in your cold, or like I like to call them, lukewarm emails. I mean, this is something that could go to creative agencies, so marketing agencies, and you can include the link to your beautiful website where they can actually try the tool. And so you're showing that you can build tools, you can help them, you can create this. It's really, really cool.
Yeah, it's great. It's so much fun, and you can get it done really quickly and live in hours. Yeah, even less time.
It's true.
Yeah,
it's true, especially because we're helping you skip all of the banging your head into the wall with a ton of errors. So I'm basically bringing you all the learning minus the errors. But when you start customizing, you'll run into your own errors, and that's a really good thing. And if you do, take a screenshot of the error and put it into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, what do I do? If you all saw my downloads list of all the errors that I have, it gets a little better every time.